We are in One Allen Center after having completed a long and arduous installation. My co-pilot, Daniel Carlson. How do you feel?
Good.
Are you tired?
Yes.
You did such a great job. Here we are, coming up, giving you a little video tour. Everybody should come by One Allen Center and see information. Then we come like this. Here we go. Walking in. Look how that looks. So fine. We have several pieces on loan. So of course, we had to recognize, yes, a private collection. It looks really good, and thanks have to go to my husband and his ample wielding of a hammer. Look how fine this looks. There are a few new pieces and a few familiar pieces, and I just want everyone, if you get a chance to come by One Allen Center to see this, it would be awesome. And I would just like to point out that I used to work in Two Allen Center, and I quit so that I could pursue my photography, and now my photography is in Allen Center. Don't think that is not lost on me. I think it's pretty fantastic. I welcome you all to come check it out, and thank you again to you. Bye.